Hey, this is Jack here with Jack Does Websites. I just wanted to make a quick video here for you about how to grow your pressure washing business with the number one way that I have been able to grow my business through the ground up from zero to over $10,000 per month by myself per month with these services. So here's what a little bit of my Google Ads is here. So, shocker, it's Google Ads, paid advertising, and HomeAdvisor, I believe, are the number one way to grow your business to heights that you'll never be able to see them before. Everybody wants to talk about word of mouth, Facebook, this and that. I think they have their place, but if you're trying to grow from the zero all the way up to over $10,000 per month, you're going to have to start using ads. You're going to have to start investing more money into it, and especially because you are so unknown. I mean, maybe you have your friends and family that know you, maybe your parents know you, or you have a buddy, but there's no way you're going to be able to sustain yourself with those jobs if you're not actively advertising and get yourself out there. So feel free to drop a like on this video if you as well want me to make a video here to show you guys how to do Google Ads itself with all the pressure washing as well, because you can fuck yourself up if you're not doing it correctly. I'll show you a little bit, if I can, of my old campaign here. This is from last year. We spent approximately, it's not going to show, but we spent over 29, maybe I can get it. There we go. All time. For this other one, we spent $2,900 and maybe made $10,000 off this last time. Now we were able to get it from what I was showing you before for over, this is when the season started, so let's see here. Here to here, we were able to spend approximately $4,200 now and able to turn that into a lot more. So just to show you, $4,200 here, and we as well use HomeAdvisor just to let you know. On HomeAdvisor, we spent approximately $2,000 now. So in these, at this point, we're at almost 3 months. We're at about 80 days in. We've been able to do this and turn it around from the ground up, basically from literally 10 reviews from last season all the way up to over 40 reviews now on Google, as well as going crazy with it. So we have a lot of prospects that we have just added from HomeAdvisor from leads that didn't convert, and we've had over 100 customers now, and we're able to turn it into over $31,000. My partner has over $1,600 to $1,800 left to ads, and I have about $1,000 from Monday to Tuesday lined up. So we're almost at 34K, and that'll put us right at about $14,000 to $15,000 on the month already, and which is insane. And that's between me and my partner, but still, for $6,000 worth of Google Ads spent to be able to bring it over to $34,000 in less than 90 days, it's pretty insane. As well, there's a lot of other things that I would like to recommend to people, but that's not really where the point of this video is. So if you guys are needing any help with this, getting it along, Google Ads, I mean, they cost as much as you cost for the lead. If you can't get the Google Ads, I really recommend at least getting HomeAdvisor. A lot of people on here are going to bag HomeAdvisor, say, it's not worth it, it's nothing. They send you bunk leads, all this, yada, yada. I have had great success with them. We spent approximately $2,000, at least made $10,000 back on them so far. We were lucky enough to where they had really gone crazy on us, and we kept pushing them away, They gave us a free membership for life forever. It's usually $288 per month, but we're able to get away with it being waived for us. Still, though, at that pace, you're gonna make so much more. The only thing with HomeAdvisor is you have to call these people because you never know what your competition is doing. Our competition are crazy. They'll call them within seconds, so you have to call them very fast. I'll make a couple other videos on that if you guys need any help with making sure that HomeAdvisor is useful for you. Feel free to just drop it in the comments. If you guys as well have any other questions about pressure washing, power washing, anything like that, how to grow your business. I mean, you've already seen what we can do. We're almost at 34K in less than 3 months, and we're hoping to crack 20K this month here, and we will. We're already at that pace, about 15, and we still got half the month left, or 1/3 of the month left. So if you guys need anything, feel free to drop a comment down below. If you do need any web design, I built our whole website here by myself. You can visit Labros pressure washing. For some reason that won't load. What? Unfortunate. That's weird as hell. But that's kind of fucked up. But it's definitely there. Feel free to go and check it out on your own time. See what's going on with it, and we can get you going. We can also help you out with the Google ads if you really do need that as well. And not too much about HomeAdvisor. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. HomeAdvisor is, but if you guys need anything, feel free to drop a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe. More coming.